Hello, Fire TV Stick guy here to give you a tutorial on how to use my jailbroken Fire TV sticks. You'll notice on the home screen here that we have 4 apps that I installed. The first one being Kodi, then you have Terrarium TV, Mobdro, and Firefox. Between the 4 of them, you get everything. Here is Kodi. You just click on it and it opens it up, and you'll see that I use the Durex build, which has all the biggest and best add-ons for Kodi. You'll see the horizontal menu there. You have movies, TV shows, family stuff. You have free TV. There's sports, music, and lots more. We'll go over to the movie section here, and you'll see that you can actually click up here and scroll along here and keep going to the right. A whole bunch of movies up here. You can also go down this little sub menu and you can actually search for a movie here. You can watch the most popular. There's in theaters, which is my favorite. And then also down at the bottom here, these blocks are all these movie add-ons for Kodi. You can keep clicking on here over to the right to see more of them. And that's pretty much it. To watch a movie here, we'll go to in theaters. And it brings up this screen. You just scroll around, find a movie. And let's see, we will pick Rampage, which actually was a very good movie. You have to be a little patient with Kodi. What it does is actually goes out onto the internet and finds a whole bunch of sites with this movie on it, and then it's going to compile a list of sources. So don't press anything, just let it do its thing. You'll see the list of sources here. It's sorted in order of quality. You'll see at the top here we have 2 ones that are in 1080p, and you can see that there's a whole bunch here to choose from. Usually you just go to the top of the list and choose one of them. We'll choose the very first one. If you ever have any buffering problems or anything like that, you can always just go to the next one in the list or the next one. And you'll see in the lower right hand corner it's working. And the movie begins. So let me back out of here. I'll just press the home button to go back to the home screen. Next app I install here is Terrarium TV, which is all movies and TV shows. A lot of people like this, even better than Kodi. Sometimes you'll have a whole lot better luck going with Terrarium TV if you're trying to watch a movie or TV show. You'll see right off the bat that it just looks nicer. I mean, it's just nice tiled screen here of the DVD covers. You'll see that in the upper left hand corner, those 3 lines right there, click on that. You can switch from TV shows to movies. And if you go up here in the upper left, go back to the TV shows, and then you'll see where it says trending, that little drop down next to it. Click on that, and you can see that you can sort these by all kinds of different ways, like most popular, most watched, top rated. But look at the bottom here. You'll see Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, all kinds of cool stuff. So anyhow, we will pick something to watch. We'll pick Big Bang. So once you click on Big Bang Theory, it'll give you an overview. What you do is you go over to season and click on that, and it will bring up all the seasons. Just click on the latest season here, and it will bring up all the episodes. Now, let's just pick this one. And you can either click on the play button in the upper right-hand corner there, or you can just do a long press on the remote and it will automatically go. And just like Cody, it's going out onto the internet and finding a whole bunch of different sites with this episode on it. Now, the best ones on here are the Google video ones, the ones that say Amazon Drive, and the ones that say Fast Server. So you'll see there's a Fast Server one right there. We will click on that, then play. And voila. So I'll pause it, back out of here. And sometimes you'll have ads with Terrarium TV. You can just click on back to get rid of them. And we'll just hit the home button to get out of here altogether. The next app I installed on here is Mobdro. This is all live TV stuff. Click on it to open it up, and you'll see you have channels, news, shows, movies, sports, all kinds of really cool stuff. Just go right to the channels. Click on that, and you'll see everything that you can get. It's crazy. Get this all for free. Some of the stuff's HD, some of it's not, but it's all good. So, I'll click on the home button to get out of here. And the fourth app that I install on here is Firefox. This is a web browser for your TV. You can actually click on any of these to go right to like Rotten Tomatoes or Instagram or even YouTube. And if you want to go right to a certain website, you can just type it in at the bar at the top there. Let's click on YouTube. Check that out, and it brings you to YouTube. And this will let you watch all kinds of videos on YouTube right on your TV. Pretty cool. And this is made for the Fire TV, so you can easily just click around, you can search. It's just awesome. So, clicking on the home button again, bring you back. That's it. That is how to use my Jailbroken Fire TV sticks. If you haven't already gotten one, go to firetvstickguide.com and get one. And you can like this video, subscribe, I'd appreciate it, and thank you, and I will see you in the future.